Have you ever wondered why some videos keep you hooked from the first second while others have you clicking away almost instantly? Well, the secret is the script. A strong script is the backbone of any successful video. It's guiding the viewer's journey and building the emotional and logical connections needed to turn your viewers into customers. And I'm going to show you exactly how to create a high-converting video script for each stage of your sales funnel. Whether it's building curiosity in the awareness stage, addressing objections in the consideration stage, or closing the deal in the decision stage. I'll walk you through step-by-step structures that you can use to make every video script engaging, persuasive, and actionable. And if you're looking for ready-made templates and detailed examples, make sure to download our free ultimate guide, How to Build a Video Sales Funnel That Converts. It's packed with everything you need to start scripting and building a successful video sales funnel today. Now, a well-structured script takes your audience on a journey. It guides them from curiosity and engagement all the way through taking action. And without a clear script structure, even the best ideas can fall flat. Now, you might lose your audience's attention or fail to convey your message, or worst of all, end up with a video that doesn't drive results. And that's why you need to tailor your script to match your video's objective and your audience's stage in the buying journey. Now let's start with the awareness stage. Now the awareness stage is the top of your funnel. Your audience is just discovering your brand and they're looking for valuable information that helps them solve a problem or maybe answers a question. This is where you hook their attention and provide educational content that positions your brand as a trusted resource. Now, there are three main components of an effective awareness stage script: the hook, the value proposition, and the soft CTA. Now, your hook is the first thing that your viewers hear and see. It needs to be strong enough to grab their attention within the first 5 seconds. Now, one of the best ways to do this is to address a common pain point, or you can ask a compelling question. Now, an example would be, are you struggling to get more views on your YouTube channel? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to share 5 proven strategies to grow your audience fast. Boom, that's it. That's all you need. This instantly tells your audience what they'll learn and why they should keep watching. Next, you want to deliver on the promise you just made in the hook. Use this part of the script to provide the key insights, tips, or information you promised up front. And the key here is to focus on providing value, not selling. Think, what's the most useful piece of advice or insight I can share in the shortest amount of time? And then finally, end with a soft call to action. This would be to invite them to continue engaging with your content. This could be subscribing to your channel, visiting your website for a free resource, or following you on social media. But really, I would stick with 1, maybe 2 that is most important to you. So an example would be, if you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe for more weekly marketing insights and check out the link in the description to download our complete guide on building a high-converting video sales funnel. Simple as that. You see, the consideration stage is all about nurturing your leads and building trust. Your audience is aware of your brand, but they're still weighing their options and want to learn more about how your solution fits their needs. Now here, your script should focus on 3 key elements: problem, solution, and social proof. So you want to start by clearly articulating the problem that your audience is facing. You want them to think, that's exactly what I'm struggling with. This helps establish empathy and sets up your solution as the answer. For example, you could say, if you're tired of spending hours creating content that no one sees, you're not alone. Many businesses struggle to create video that actually drive engagement and results. Now next, you want to introduce your solution and explain how it addresses their pain points. Be specific about the benefits and focus on how it solves their unique problem. So an example would be, that's why we created this super service. It's designed to help you create high quality video content in half the time so you can focus on growing your business, not editing videos. Now finally, build trust with a customer testimonial, a case study, or a data point. This shows that your solution has worked for others and it can work for them too. An example is, in fact, our clients have seen a 35% increase in engagement within the first month of using our service. now you're at the bottom of the funnel, the decision stage. This is crucial. This is where your prospects are almost ready to buy, but they might have a few final objections or hesitations, and your script needs to be direct, persuasive, and focus on driving action. So for decision stage scripts, you want to use the pain, agitate, solution formula, followed by a strong CTA. So start by clearly stating the biggest pain point your prospect is feeling right now. So you could say, are you frustrated by losing potential clients because your marketing isn't converting? And they'll start nodding their head. Then you want to agitate the pain by explaining the consequences of not taking action. Every day you're not optimizing your video sales funnel, you're leaving money on the table. You're creating a sense of urgency. And finally, present your solution as the answer and include that strong, direct CTA. But it doesn't have to be that way. With our service, you can start converting leads into paying customers faster than ever before. Just click the link below and schedule your free consultation today. It's that simple. And if you want to dive even deeper and access a step-by-step templates for each stage, don't forget to download our ultimate guide, How to Build a Video Sales Funnel That Converts. It's completely free and it's packed with everything you need to start scripting powerful videos today. I'll put a link in the description below and you can download it now. Now you have those engaging scripts, the next step is to make sure your videos actually get seen by your target audience, right? So if you want to learn how to optimize your videos for maximum visibility and engagement, check out the next video. It's on your screen now. I'll share proven strategies for boosting your video's reach, ranking higher on YouTube, and keeping your viewers engaged from start to finish. I'll see you there.